Fanny.
Good evening, everybody. I'm not gonna say my name. After being talking of sleep things and aliens and World War Orbs, I'm gonna just educate with my video. No, well, first of all, I would like to know who likes geography. Nobody?
I love geography.
Oh, geography.
Yeah, because I love geography, as you can see in there. Well, the reason why it got my attention is because I like geography, as I just said. And while I was looking in there, I love animals, I love everything, like plants. So I see this video, well, I saw this video, and it's called The Driest Place on Earth. It got my attention because, can you imagine the driest place on Earth? I thought it would be like, I don't even know what I thought. So this video is like, it was like 54 minutes, and the teacher told me, no, you don't have to see the whole video. I said, no, I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna watch the video. I'm gonna watch it because I don't know. I just love the topic of it, and like I love the video. So I did it because I love it, not because I had to. Anyways, okay, let's start with my class. Oh my gosh. Okay. No. Go back, sister.
Go back, sister.
No.
Okay, so the driest place on Earth, it's called the Atacama. In English, it was hard to pronounce it, so I'm just gonna say Atacama. The Atacama Desert is on Chile.
That's a driest place.
Okay. So here we got South America.
Yes.
And so in here, I'm gonna point. Oh my gosh! As we can see in here, just in this place, we have Chile in here. We have, Venezuela, Colombia. I don't know where they are.
Yeah.
But all of this is Chile. So in here we have the Atacama Desert. It's located in the north of Chile.
Yeah.
And the place where it is called Quillagua. This desert is 150 years ago. It's really old, and it's 660 miles long and 300 miles wide.
Well, you can read it.
So I just have it in mind. I
Oh.
remember. Yeah.
Well, you seem like
No. As I can see the picture, I just imagine while I was watching the video. Okay, and it got my attention because I was just like I was putting the pause on it, and then I was like going like back and forward, like back and again, because I don't know, some parts it's hard to understand, but in some of them it was just like so amazing that I just want to like hear it again. So this part, let me just read it as I got it in there. It will take 100 years of rain to fill a cup of coffee, or a whole cup. 100 years in this place. So that means it never rains. It's very amazing. Well, it was amazing for me. I was like, oh my gosh.
Oh,
Okay.
nothing can live there, right?
So no, it's nothing in there. I won't say my 5, but the other one, it went away, I guess. So my 4 key words I would say is gypsum, is geysers, fossils, and the Tropic of Capricorn. And I will explain what this words means. Gypsum. There are rocks. There are solid rocks. It was. I just remember it. It was. There are solid rocks that they can just appear in water, which means is once the water gets evaporate, gypsums appear. So why do I have gypsum as a keyword? Because that way is how they found out that this desert a long time ago, it was a sea, like a sea. So I was like, how can a sea become a desert? It was something really amazing. So that's how they find out, because the anthropologists and all those expert people, they went and they looked forward and they just poured some water on the rock, and the rock disappeared. And the whole, most of the desert, it's just gypsum. It's all in there. So that's what they said. It was a sea before. What are geysers? Okay, geysers. These are. This one, it was weird. So I'm just gonna. But I know about it in Spanish. So in English, what it says, the geysers is a spring discharge of water ejected turbulently and accompanied by a vapor phase. Well, what it means is, in my words, this when geysers are like, I would say, if there is a geyser in there, it means that there is a volcano near to it. So geysers, what it is I would say a hole, and what it comes from there, like as you can see, is water, like really high water. So that's how they find out, like this place, the desert, it became a desert because something happened. It was volcanoes close to this area. I would say it was the sea was here, and the next area, the closest area, it was like this part of geysers and volcanoes. So once they get like when the volcano evaporates and all that stuff, what happened was the earth, like one layer. One layer went into the other one, and so all the water, it disappeared. Well, it evaporates. That happened like really, really long time ago, and because the volcanoes and the lava and all that stuff. So that's what happened. And let me see the next one.
It's a lot of pressure under.
So yeah, because
That pressure pushing you down.
fossils. We all know what fossils are. They're animals. They're animals on rocks. So why do I have this one as a keyword? Because this one, as they were studying the rocks and they found a lot of animals, it means this one gave them how long does the desert, how like, so that's how they find out like 150 years because of those animals right there.
Wow.
And
More than 150.
yeah, so another thing, the Tropic of Capricorn. Well, as we all know, the Earth is always, I would say, divided in these significant lines. I don't have it in here, but the first one in here, that will be the Tropic of Cancer. The other one in here is just the Ecuador, and this one, I got this one in here, is the Tropic of Capricorn. What it means is, that's why the desert is in there. But we'll say, why? Well, I don't know if some of you know that the majority of the deserts, they are located wherever these three lines are. Like in here, in the Tropic of Cancer, we will find Sahara in here. We all know which one is the Sahara. That's in Africa. And in here, in the Ecuador.
The equator, that's the Sahara.
Oh yeah,
That's
thank you.
Sahara.
And in here we have another one.
That's like Siberia up there, right?
And
Canada.
oh well, thank you. Anyways, the important one is this one, and I learned now. So this one, the Tropic of Capricorn, is where the my desert is, the Atacama. So that's why it is a desert, because it is in there, and which just means when I was watching the video, why does this one? Because they explain in there, like in this one you will get like no rain on it, and in this one you will get, I will not say like big falls of rain, but it will be rain. No, it will rain in there. What happened is once the this will be hard. Once, cause it, I just would like to watch the video. So once the rain comes on the earth, it just like go ups and downs and ups and downs. So once it comes from here, so once it gets from here, it will rain in here, also in the equator. And by the time it hits the Tropic of Capricorn,
It disappears.
it be like no rain. So what I learned was, can you imagine 100 years to fill a cup of? So my questions, I just had a lot of questions. I'm like, how can this be possible? I don't get it. It's just too amazing. And then But technology is technology. They can find like, I don't who has been sitting there because the smell of the chair, something like that. So yeah, so that was my video, I guess, right? That's it. So I hope you guys learn how I learned. But if you wanna watch the video, I don't know if you really like it. I think I got everything. Yeah, my worst. If you really like it, just just
Type.
type in there the Driest place on there. And for me, it was hard to find it because I just went like through a lot of subjects, a lot of titles, and I don't know. I found this one. Like the second one I saw, it was the Ice Age. I just like all the stuff. That one was another one interesting.
Okay.
So.
Yeah.